His Excellency the Prime Minister is led by His Excellency the Deputy President, where the Prime Minister will sign the Visitor's Statement and the two principles.
Extended partner in the quest for regional stability and prosperity in recent times in Kenya. Our heartfelt condolences go to those effects of climate change, a problem to which we did not contribute. Eyes of cooperation. On security, we stand united against threats of terrorism and as national crimes, committed to safeguarding the peace that is the right of every citizen, as well as agreements between our two nations. Let us ensure the blueprints for action and pathways to the tangible benefits that our people expect and the remaining areas discussed by the set to bring these discussions for fruition. Let's continue to work together.
Wide range of issues, including political, $4.5 billion debt write-off from the heavily indebted poor.
We are trying to revive the education system to strengthen our